Here's some Wabash Valley Flood trivia. Subscribe. What type of meteorological event contributed to the flooding? Is it A, heavy rains, B, drought, C, snowstorm, or D, tornado? The correct answer is A, heavy rains. Which U.S. president was in office during the 1937 flood? Is it A, Herbert Hoover, B, Franklin D. Roosevelt, C, Calvin Coolidge, or D, Harry Truman? The correct answer is B, Franklin D. Roosevelt. What organization was established as a response to floods? Is it A, Flood Control Act, B, Red Cross, C, Federal Reserve, or D, United Nations? The correct answer is A, Flood Control Act. What was the primary cause of the Wabash Valley flood? Is it A, industrial pollution, B, urban development, C, drought conditions, or D, excess rainfall? The correct answer is D, excess rainfall. How long did the floodwaters remain in some areas? Is it A, 2 years, B, 1 day, C, 6 months, or D, several weeks? The correct answer is D, several weeks. Which demographic suffered the most from the flood? Is it A, single professionals, B, wealthy retirees, C, business owners, or D, low-income families? The correct answer is D, low-income families. What notable geographic feature is the Wabash River part of? Is it A, Ohio River watershed, B, Chesapeake Bay region, C, Great Lakes watershed, or D, Mississippi River basin? The correct answer is C, Great Lakes watershed. Which U.S. military branch provided assistance during the flood response? Is it A, Marines, B, Border Patrol, C, Army Corps of Engineers, or D, Space Force? The correct answer is C, Army Corps of Engineers. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.